welcome back to another day on the bikes, guys, and welcome back to Tord Valley. So guys, as I was saying, back here at Tord Valley this week. It's only a little red route, but so much fun. Thought I'll come down while I'm out on my own, get here nice and early. It's about 8:30. I'll get a few laps and take you guys along for the ride. So I'll take you guys to a little warm-up lap of Tord Valley. If you like this little route here, not the biggest jump to do, but it's just fun. Nicely set out. The track is so much fun, to be fair. Oh, that one seems to have a bit of a, I think it might have done a little bit of maintenance here. The lip seems to have been redone a little bit. Good thing about here is, I've not even changed up from the hardest gear, and I'm at the top already. So, tiny little run, tiny little push up, can't beat it, but it's good fun. So we'll do another one. Manual across that this time, and that. Nice. Oh, send that to flat then. Nice. Maybe a little bit of a longer running. Nice to be able to get this double. It's hard to get, I got it. It's hard to get without getting a little bit more speed sometimes. Oh, send that to flat then. Fun, fun, fun. Oh. So guys, another fun morning out on a bike. Just came for a quick one this morning at Tord Valley as I was on my own, flying solo this morning. Yeah, so just thought I'll come and do a few laps at Tord Valley, have a bit of a chill morning. I'm going to go home now and have a chilled afternoon, so catch you guys on the next one. See you soon.